Filtering data from pivot table is very easy and interesting. Sometimes we might know for in-depth details we need to filter our data. So for filtering, what we should do for filtering, just we need to provide, like suppose we need to know the product in detail, so we want to filter the product so that we can know that which product sold by which person. So many the collect shortcut data about the product, so will drag the product on the filter option. So in the upper left corner of the worksheet we can see that there's a product, and here we can, if we click here, so we can see the options for select all. So we can deselect, we can uncheck all, then you can see that there's no product here. So just we are clicking only food items. Then the filtering data about the food items, like this salesperson has sold this amount of food items. So here we are clicking jeans, and then it has been updated, it has been filtered by these only two products. Then now I'm clicking here polo shirt, and then you can see that the salesperson who sold the 3 products here, these kinds of things, these kinds of filtering options is available on Excel. So here we can say that you can filter your data whatever you want. So that's all for filtering. In the next class we'll learn about slicer.